So I'm going to show some basic, very simple ways to do some drums, how we do effect. There's nothing very special. Always start with a high resonance, no attack, low decay, low release. Then playing with envelope amount. So we get those zap sounds that we put in a lot of tracks. So sometimes we just start like that. Then we can apply some modulations. For instance, we can take here sample and output of the LFO very fast into our cutoff. And try to do some fun cross modulation or some. Usually we just try things out and see what's happening. Not much. Basically just trying things and trying to patch, and that's how we get all these effect sounds that we put in tracks. I mean, it's a bit of try and miss usually, but sometimes we get really nice results. And all these little, sounds that work really well in electro tracks.